Hello guys, welcome once again and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to connect to server terminal using SSH on Windows. So let's get started with the video.
अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को करें सब्सक्राइब और साथ ही साथ दबाएं बेल का आइकन, जिससे जब भी मैं नया वीडियो डालूं आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे।
So basically guys, today we will be using a software named as Putty and I will show you how to use that software. And to download the software I'll provide you the link below in the description, so you can download the software from the description link. So firstly you have to open a Putty key generator, and let me show you. Like suppose I want to connect to a server using SSH. So what I will be using here, if you have a PAM file, so you will require a key generator. So let me show you how to do that. If you have a PAM file of the server, you have to load that key file. So I'll just all files, and I'll just go to PAM file. I've selected the PAM file. I said OK, and then I will parameters type of key generate, I will write it as SSH-1. okay, and you have to just create save as private key, and you will able to see that it's asking to save. So I will just name it as kicksnakes._aw, and I'll just save the file, and you can see here a new file has been created as name as kicksnake_aw. So I'll just close the software, and after creating the file you have to open Putty configuration window, you can see here, and then you have to paste the IP, you have to write the IP address of the server which you have to connect to, and write the port number. Then you have to go to connection, and connection SSH, you can see here inside the SSH you can see auth. Just go to auth tab and you will find here private key file for authentication. So you have to select the file which you have created just now. So you can see here, and I'll just click on the file and I will just click on open, and you can see here it says login as. So I will write the username, and it will authenticate the file, and it has been connected to my server. So let me show you. You can see here I have connected to my server successfully. In this way you can use Putty software to connect to your SSH, and if you don't have PAM file, then also you can connect to the server. Let me show you how to do that. You have to just click the Putty configuration and just write the IP. Like suppose this let me show you the other server. Like this server does not have a PAM file, it has a password. So I'll just write the password, IP address here, and I'll just set the port as 22 SSH, and I will just click on open button, and here I want to it's asking me to log in as. So the username is root, and here the password is I'm writing the password here. So I have written the password, and I'll just click on enter, and again I have connected to the server successfully. In this way you can connect to the server. Let me show you php_version, and you can see here. So I've connected to the server successfully. You can see here. In this way you can use Putty software to connect to any server on Windows. So that's all for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.